Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's Zabs DIY. Today we are bringing you another episode on this Nissan Micra K12, and today we are going to show you how to replace or remove your brake disc and pads. You got T40, you got 30mm socket, 50mm spanner, and you have an 80mm socket. So go ahead and remove your front wheel and put the car on axle stands. Once you've removed your wheel, you have T40 and T40. I was missing, so we only have one on the brake disc. At the brake caliper, you've got 50mm nut over here and 30mm nut over there. So you want to put your wrench over here and your spun over here, because if you don't, as you can see, it spins. And behind the caliper, where the caliper bracket is, this bit over here, you have 80mm nut over here, another one just behind in here. Go ahead and remove them all. Okay, so I have now loosened it, so I'm going to take the 30mm nut just like that, and this has got Loctite. Put that aside and go ahead and do the same on the bottom for this one over here. So I removed both of the bolts, 30mm. Now I can go ahead and remove my caliper. Okay, and place that somewhere safe. I just put mine on the drive shaft. It's not like it's got a lot of weight, so it's not going to damage the drive shaft. Now we can go ahead and remove two 80mm, one over here and one just over here. Go ahead and remove both of the 80mm bolts for the brake bracket, for the brake caliper bracket. Removed the brake caliper. Look how thin the brake pads have gone. Now we can go ahead and remove the T40 to take the brake disc off. Okay, so this bit here, when we take the T40 off, either going to curse the previous person who's working on this car, or we're going to be very happy and we're going to be blessing him. When we take this T40 off, if the previous mechanic who's taken or who has worked on it hasn't put a copper grease on the back, this brake disc is going to be jammed, and we're going to have to hammer the crap out of this or somehow take it out. If they put a copper grease on the back, when I take this T40 off, this should just slide off like butter. So let's go ahead and loosen the T40. Oh, as you can see, the brake disc is actually sliding off. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh my days. What a blessed guy, the previous mechanic. This is nice and smooth, and I can feel the copper grease on the edges just around here. So all I have to do now is put copper grease around here, put the new brake disc back on once I clean it with brake cleaner, put the new pads on, and we're good to go. So now we've got the brake disc and pads off, and I always like to compare them. So we got the new brake pads side by side. Let's have a look at the size and thickness. And we also got the new brake disc side by side. Again, I mean, not much difference in thickness, but if I show you like this, look at the scoring on this. And also, if you have a look at this side over here, we've got a lip just around there, where this one here is nice and flat surface. So what we need to do now is get a brake cleaner, because it's gone dirty and we got the grease on here. So we're going to put brake cleaner, clean it up, and we'll go ahead, put copper grease around here, and then we put it on there. So I'll go on brake cleaner. Get yourself a cloth and clean it up. We got our copper grease on the hub. You don't need to go crazy like this. You can put it in the edges, but I like to smudge it all over. Now we can go ahead and put our brake disc on. And just look at that, it's looking nice and fresh. So onto your brake caliper and your brake pads. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put copper grease around the edges over here, maybe a bit over here, and we'll put it in the brake caliper. So I've got this reset tool over here just to reset my caliper. Get a C-clamp and your old brake pads. You want to put them all like this. Get your C-clamp like this. and just go for a reset. So these are the basic tools that you can use if you haven't got any reset tool. Okay, that's resetted now, it's all the way in, the piston is. Now I can go ahead and there you go. Got Loctite, so I need to Loctite these bolts. Guys, that's how you remove or replace your brake disc or your brake pad on your Nissan Micra K12. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We shall see you in the next one. Take care.